VIP program. A VIP program in a loyalty reward is a way to feel your customers more valued. You can segment your customers in different tiers to provide them exclusive benefits. So there are multiple ways when you create VIP program, how you want to treat your customers. So when you start setting up the program, make sure to enable the status. Now, whenever you start a VIP program, you have to enter a date from which you want to start this program. For example, you have a loyalty program already started a week ago or a month ago or a year ago, and now you want to introduce VIP program. For that, you need to add a date here on which you want to initiate this first time. Now, once a member enters into the VIP tier, there are multiple ways how they can join your VIP tiers. First is point based. So you can say like a customer having 1000 points will be in the gold tier, a customer having 5000 points can be in the platinum tier. So accordingly, as customer earn points, they will jump into next tiers. Second is amount spent. So you can also say like if any customer spent $100, they will go to silver plan. If customer spent $1000, they will go to gold tier. You can also set up a complete tier program based on the tag. So whatever customer tag you assign to every customer, accordingly they will be into that tier. So this is a manual program most of the store use if they do not want points or amount based tier program. So they generally tag the customers based on their selections and they give the benefits. So VIP program actually give benefits to customers based on the tiers the customer are set up into. For example, here we have created 4 tiers: bronze, silver, gold and platinum. So if you go to bronze, you can edit the tier. So in the bronze tier, you can have a name here, you can have a description, you can set up like how many minimum point a customer or a member should earn to join this bronze tier. You can set up the colors, you can set up the icons, you can set up the settings like how many point they will get if they earn 1 point. So for example, if they earn 1 point, they will get 1.25 times of that point. So this is how they get the benefit of every earning when they jump into the tier. So if you set up like 2, then for every 1 point there, they will get 2 points. You can add the tag, you can add the welcome emails, like when as soon as they jump into the tier, they can get these welcome notifications. As well as there are more benefits you can give, like one-time bonus point or a birthday additional points to this tier customers. And these are some settings to showcase different content on your website. So this is how a tier is set up, and similarly you can create multiple tiers. There is no limit, and you can give access to customers to multiple tiers and they can get benefits accordingly on the store. Thank you.